Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Subhrajit Sahoo, Assistant Professor in Narsimha Engineering College. Today in this video, I will tell some new technique, new concept about the dictionary. Already in the last video, we have seen in the dictionary introductions where is the practical use and how to create the dictionary. The two methods we can use by using this curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, we will write several elements in the form of key and value pair. Okay, values pair, or we can create the dictionary by using this dict constructor, where either 0 or one argument pass. Okay, inside this bracket I have to pass no argument, that means it should be empty, or I can pass maximum one argument. Two argument not allowed, more than one argument is not allowed. Okay, so these things we have seen in the last video. Today what I'm going to discuss means, sir, suppose I'm taking a list L1. L1 is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, sir, can I convert, this is a list, can I convert this list to dictionary type? Can I convert by dictionary type by using this dict constructor? No, I cannot convert, because this list contains only values, but dictionary representation style is like this: key colon value, or value 1 key 1 comma key 2 colon value 2, like this. Inside the curly bracket, this is the representation style of the dictionary, but in the list there is only value, key section is not there, that's why I cannot convert. Okay, fine. Suppose I am taking another list L2 equal to 10 20 30. Okay, 10 20 30. Sir, single list I cannot convert into dictionary type by using the dict constructor. Can I convert this combining of this two list into dictionary format? Sir, what I'm thinking, if I'll give this two list to the dict function, then it may convert 1 is to 10 comma 2 is to 20 comma 3 is to 30. I am thinking only, oh, it may be convert like this. Okay, but if I'll start writing like this, d equal to dict of L1 comma L2, it will throw error. Why? Because, sir, inside the dict constructor right now, how many argument? Two argument, but dict container expected 0 or 1 argument, right? It cannot be executed, it will throw error. Okay, but I am thinking, oh, 1 will be combined with the 10, 2 will be combined with the 20, 3 will be combined with the 30, that means 1 2 3 will be act as a key, and 10 20 30 will be act as a value. Like that I'm thinking, that's why I wrote, but it is violating the rule of dictionary. Then how can I write? For this combining purpose, one more interesting function will be introduced. That function name as zip function, right? Zip function. So what I will do, directly L1 and L2, I will not give this dictionary because two argument. What I will do, this L1 L2 I will give to zip functions. Okay, na? The whatever the result I will get from this zip function, this result I will give to dict. Okay, na? Now it can be possible. Observe carefully what I am going to do, sir. First I will take L1 equal to 1 2 3, and L2 equal to 10 20 30. Okay, na? Then I will give this L1 L2 to zip function, zip of L1 L2. comma. Sir, how many argument zip can handle? Zip can handle n number of argument. N number of argument. Right now, L1 is one argument, L2 is one argument. We can give 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number of argument to zip, not a problem. So n number of argument it can handle. But dict can handle only one argument. That is the problem. Sir, if I'll give this L1 to this zip function, L2 to this zip function, what will happen? You know, it will convert this L1 and L2 by taking one element from L1 and another element from L2, 110 in tuple format. Then one element from L1 and another element from next element from L2, tuple format. Then next element from L1 and next element for L2 in the tuple format, it is going to store in the memory locations. It will not print this value. It will not print this value. Suppose I want to print this one, it will not show the display the answer, because it will store in that memory location. Okay, memory address will be value not printed. Value is not printed by these zip functions, but internally it will be stored in that memory address in the tuple format. One element from list 1 and first element from the list 2, second element from list 1, second element from the list 2, third element from the list 1, third element from the list 2, and it will store in the address. So suppose after converting this one into zip, then I will give this result to the dictionary. So d equal to dict of this result. Okay, this result I will give here. Then it will convert it to dictionary format. Key value, like this. It is going to be converted, right? So, sir, you told zip function can handle n number of argument. Suppose, sir, in this list 1 only two values, and in this list 2 3 values, then how can I? Remember, the zip function will be executed based on the shortest length of the iterable, shortest length. Now, which list is short? Which list having minimum element? Sir, L1 having minimum element. If I'll do zip function of L1 and L2, then what answer I will get? You know, one first element from the list 1, second element from the list 2, 1, 10, then 2, 20. This will be the store in the memory address location. 30 will be not considered, because corresponding to 30 in the L1, one value is shortage, and zip function always work based on shortest length iterable, which iterable and which list number of element is less. Based on that, it is going to be executed, right? I will show you in the programming ideally also how it is working. Observe. Suppose L1 equal to I am taking 1, 2, 3, and L2 I am taking 10, 20, 30 I am taking. Okay, now see what happened. Equal to symbol I am not giving. L2 equal to 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now, what is my L1 value? This is my L1 value. And what is my L2 value? This is my L2 value. Now, I am thinking I will convert into dictionary. D, I am writing D equal to dict of L1, L2. But in this way, I cannot write, because dict constructor right now possesses two arguments. Two arguments, L1 and L2. But dict allowed only one arguments. Immediately error. Observe. What is the error saying? Dict expect at most one argument, but received two argument, right? So it is not allowed. Then what I have to do? I have to convert into zip. L1, L2 I have to give into zip. Then can I write like this? D equal to dict of L1, L2. Instead of writing like this, I will give the L1, L2 to zip function first. Zip of bracket start L1, L2, right? L1, L2. Now see, if I'll do like this, immediately D value will be printed. What? 110, 220, 330, like this. This one element from the list 1, another element from the list 2. Suppose L1 is 1, 2 only, 2 element, and L2 is like the 10, 20, 30. Then suppose I will give D equal to dict of, okay, dict of zip of L1, L2. See, shortest length, L1 having one element shortage. So what is the output you will get to know? See, 110, 220, 30 will be not considered because which one is the shortest length? As per the shortest length of the iterable, the dict function, the zip function will be executed, right? 110 and 220 is the output. Sir, can zip function can handle three argument? Yes, it can handle also three argument also. Suppose I am giving here L1 equal to L1 equal to uh, 1 minute 1 comma 2 comma 3, L2 equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, 10 comma 20 comma 30 equal to, I have not given L2 equal to, right, 10 comma 20 comma 30, and L3 equal to suppose 50 comma 60 comma 70, right? Three elements everywhere. Sir, three iterable, three argument, right? Three list I have taken, L1, L2, L3. Sir, can I write like this? G of L1 comma L2 comma L3. If I write like this, not a problem because G function can handle any number of argument. But unfortunately, it will not print value. It will display the address location where those three arguments will be stored in the form of tuple. I told the zip function will be written in the form of tuple only inside the opening and closing parenthesis. Okay, so and three argument L1, L2, L3, that is also not useful for the dictionary because dictionary want two element. One is key, another is argument, another is value. One is key, another is value. But here three argument means observe carefully. I will tell you. Here three argument means suppose L1 equal to 1, 2, 3, and L2 is 10, 20, 30, and L3 is 50, 60, and 70. If I do zip function, all are square bracket, not parenthesis, all are square bracket, right? Square bracket. If I give zip function to these three value, this, and this, no, what will come? 1, comma 10, comma 50, one set. 2 comma 20 comma 60, another set in the form of tuple only, and 3 comma 30 comma 70 in the form of tuple only. But this kind of tuple representation is not suitable for dictionary because dictionary need only two values, one is key, another is values, but here three, so it is not useful for dictionary. But to print these values, what I will do, observe carefully, what I will do, I will take, instead of writing like this, I will write here, I will take one more list. L equal to list is a constructor, right? In the list chapter we have discussed list of this one. Okay, list of this one. Now if I'll print L, observe, see, it is printed in the form of list. Three argument here, one set, here one set, here one set, and inside the list is the constructor here, right? I hope you understood the concept of zip function in the dictionary. Okay, so what is my next discussion is how to read the content from the dictionary. Okay, how to read, suppose the dictionary is like this, 1 is to 20, 2 is to 30, and so on. How to read the contents, right? So there are several techniques, several methods to read the contents from the dictionary. So in the next video I will discuss all these things in details with suitable examples, programmatic examples. So now it's a good point to stop here. So till then, you take care and bye.